Welcome everyone. We are going to use these colorful yarn, make a cross of the bamboo stick and start rolling it around the stick. We are using two different color yarn, pink and green. Now we are going to roll it around fingers. Here we are making beautiful frills, cut it and comb it like this. Now we are going to paste all of them and your beautiful hanging is ready. Let's use these colorful yarns. We are rolling it around two fingers, cut it. We are making pom pom ball here. First comb it and give it shape using scissors. Now take this paper green color and we are going to cut it like this. Make more such flowers, paste leaves and look, it is ready. Let's use colorful yarn, roll it around this rectangular piece of paper, cut it, you will get equal size of yarns here. Now we are going to take another piece of yarn, tie knot like we are doing here. After this we are going to tie all the threads one after another on the center of it. Now give it shape of a leaf, cut it, comb it and look, you can make more such leaves like this. We are going to make a beautiful wall hanging, so we are going to use this dry twig, roll the yarn around this rectangular piece of cardboard, cut it, you will get equal size of yarns and tie it around this stick. Now same way we are going to make frills using pink yarn, cut it and paste all of them together, tie all of them like this and look, your wall hanging is ready. Remove the lid of the bottle. We are going to cover it using yarn like we are doing here. Cover the ring and it's done. After this we are going to take a small piece of yarn and make a star shape at the center. Now roll yarn around two fingers, cut it. Here we are making frills and paste all of them around the ring like this and look, your beautiful hanging is ready. Let's make beautiful flowers using yarn. We are using a lipstick, so put a wire and start rolling the yellow yarn around it. Now remove it, tie a knot, cut it and cover it using floral tape and look, you can make more such flowers and put all of them on the group of two on this stick and look, it is ready. Cover it using floral tape and it's done. In this video we are going to use two different color of yarn, so start rolling it around this cardboard, remove it. Now we are going to make more such pieces. After this tie knot around this stick and then we are going to cover this ring as well. Similar way we are going to cover it with these different colorful yarns and combine all of them together, give it shape and your wall hanging is ready. We are going to use this red and white color yarn, so start rolling it around this cardboard, cut it. Now we are going to make more such pieces. Then we are going to tie knot around this stick one after another. We are using white yarn here. Similar way we are using red and again white. After this we are going to cut and give it a shape of heart and it's done. You can gift it to your loved ones, they will definitely love it. Let's make this mini basket. So take a paper cup, make multiple cuts at the top and start weaving it using pink yarn. Paste it using hot glue gun, cover the bottom part as well using similar yarn like this. Now we are going to fold it and make the handle, paste all of them together, paste a beautiful lace and it's done. You can make more such colorful baskets like this. Thank you so much for watching this video.